Hello everyone, welcome to my channel A Builds. So today I am building a RGB LED light. So let's make it. For making this video you need this cutout. For the dimension go check out link in the description. For electronics, you require a Arduino Nano, a RGB LED strip, a power connector, toggle switch and some push button. So let's see its build process. Here we can see I made a cutout for power connector and all the switches. So let's assemble all the components. So all component assembly are done. Now it's time for connection. I made a connection as per this circuit diagram. If you want this circuit diagram, then go check out link in description. So now you can see the project is complete. Now let's see its different modes of working. So here we can see there are 3 push button and 1 toggle switch. The toggle switch is for switching the mode between manual and preset mode. In preset mode there are different preset color, so you can select them by just clicking up and down button. But in manual mode you can adjust the RGB spectrum, means we can individually adjust the red color, blue color and green color brightness and make your own color. In future I am updating this project and making it completely wireless, so you can control it by your smartphone. Stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel.